Hey everybody, welcome back. I have a couple more interviews from AWS reInvent that I want to share with you. So managing complex environments has always been a really big challenging problem, and having good actionable information in a timely manner is really key to keeping those environments up and running effectively. So when you start talking about cloud native applications and microservices and things like that, that challenge gets much harder. And I have always felt that application performance monitoring tools are underdeployed in most organizations. This is one of those things that can bring actually tremendous value to an IT organization, but selling it upstream to a CFO can be a challenge. While there isn't a direct line to greater profits necessarily, these products can provide tremendous value, and a quicker time to resolution or proactively addressing problems can have a huge impact on the profitability of your organization. And in a microservices world, having some sort of APM, application performance monitoring tool, is really necessary. I had the opportunity to talk to Instana, which provides a purpose-built APM for cloud, container, and microservices. They help you visualize your environment with continuous discovery and 1-second data granularity to help you monitor these dynamic environments. On the back end, they use artificial intelligence and machine learning to detect and resolve problems. So here's Paul Jasek, a pre-sales engineer from Instana, to tell you a little bit more about their company.
We're an application performance management provider. The interesting thing is every 5 to 10 years there's a shift in IT basically. So tools that were delivering on performance monitoring a decade ago are not necessarily optimal today. So founded in 2015, focusing on the more modern, dynamic, Docker, Kubernetes types of environments. What we provide is an agent-based technology that will give you visibility not just into your infrastructure, but into your application services in an automated fashion. What does that mean? That means your developers don't have to waste their cycles annotating code, telling the agent what to look for, what to trace. So you get this automation out of the box, so when there are issues in production that you're trying to trace down, you always have a reference point to understand what component in a distributed trace of 24 services, where should you be focusing your remediation energies and not wasting your time chasing something that might be irrelevant. That's the kind of visibility that we provide to our customers. The sooner they get their application services back up and running, the better that their customers will be for all concerned. We've kind of been around the APM space for several generations, starting back with Wiley in the early 2000s, then about 10 years ago with AppDynamics. We saw this shift in IT, so we decided, let's create something that can focus on today's modern application architectures. And that's where Instana was founded in 2015 in Germany. Engineering is based in Germany. And then in North America, we have sales and marketing. We are venture-backed. We have, in Series B, approximately $55 million in venture-backed capital.
So Infinidat is a storage company that has been seeing steady growth in the market. So the company was founded by Moshe Yanai, who was the creator of EMC's Symmetrix platform and IBM's XIV platform. Their InfiniBox enterprise storage arrays tackle the challenging problem of providing performant, affordable storage at petabyte scale. I ran into Eric Kahlberg, who is Vice President of Cloud at Infinidat, and I asked him to fill us in on what the latest and greatest is coming out of Infinidat.
So look, as companies start deploying cloud more strategically, and particularly as they build their business infrastructure on it, they need to adopt not just one cloud provider's best of breed stuff in the walled garden. They need to think about what their broader adoption strategy and the competitive dynamics are going to look like as they deploy multiple public cloud environments and get the best of all worlds. And we think storage is absolutely the core of that, and that's where our Neutrix Cloud Storage service really comes in handy. One of the biggest things that we get excited about is larger scale. And that's true across the entire product portfolio. On the on-prem side, we're already selling petabytes and petabytes of this stuff at per rack, and we expect that to increase. But we've just unveiled some new connectivity enhancements that allow customers to aggregate multiple 10 gig connections to AWS and to other public clouds. And we think that's a game changer with regards to the performance capabilities of the cloud storage environments. It's amazing how large this show is and how many different disciplines it brings together. This is becoming the place to be if you're looking at forward-thinking architectures, and it's awesome to be among the sponsors for the second year in the row.
So thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please click like, hit subscribe, and if you want updates when I post new content, please click on that bell icon and you will get notifications. I have more great stuff coming from AWS reInvent, so keep checking back. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.